Welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining in today. Today I'm bringing up a company in a cannabis industry, a company that I think we should all keep our eyes on, that we should be, watching what they are doing or how they are making progress. So today I'm talking about Aurora Cannabis. Aurora, the ticker symbol is ACB. That is the ticker symbol. So the trading code for it is what we call a ticker symbol, which is ACB for Aurora Cannabis. Now, this company has one time been high. The cost of the shares has been higher than what it is now, extremely higher than what it is now. And now, as time passes by, they are trying to turn things around and start making money. Now, don't get me wrong. It is still a long shot. It is still a long way for them to be profitable. For now, I believe it's a long way ahead. Now, this is my opinion. I'm not saying it's going to be 10 years or it's going to be 5 years or it's going to be 3 years, but I think he might be within the range of, maybe 5 years, maybe. Nobody knows the have the crystal ball. I don't have the crystal ball, but this is just my opinion. That is they are working on it. And I want us to get in why it is cheap, why it is really, really low. This is one way that I believe that we can, build our generational wealth, that we can get in when it's really cheap, and when things turn around, we can all turn around with it. So Aurora Cannabis is one of it. I'm going to show you some things about it. But before then, I want us to understand this. All this new industry that we are talking about, they are still making losses. They are still not making money yet. But as time goes on, I believe, this is my opinion, I cannot tell you what to do. I can only tell you what I'm doing or what opportunity that I think is out there. So it's left for you to do your research, do your diligent research, and see if it fits you, or if it fits your portfolio, or it's something that you might be interested in. So all this industry, they are still in the early stage, in the infantry stage, and they are still not making money. They are losing money, as a matter of fact. But I believe as time goes on, as we continue in the journey down the road, things will begin to turn around for all these companies. They are new industry, so things will continue to change for them. But by the time it starts changing, we're already in it. We can spare $3 in a week, or maybe $5 in a week, or whatever it is convenient for us, if we see it fit for us. And that is why I am bringing in today. So, but let me show you this. This is why I'm bringing in today, for us to. I'm going to continue to bring more and more of these new companies in this new industry, for us to have it in our radar, for us to be keep our eyes on it and see, how they are making their progress. So it helps us to make our own decision, and make, if we want to, do something about investing in them or not. That is why I'm bringing it out there. So let me show you this. This is what I'm talking about now. Aurora Cannabis right here. So right now, 46 cents, and it has lost 99.41% of its value from the high, forever, ever high. So how low can it go? I don't know, because he already lost 99.41% as at today. Okay, so it's 46 cents. Now let's look at the the high that it has ever attained. The high has been $126, $126, and this is in 2018. It was $126 in 2018, and when the COVID and everything shut down, hurts a lot of these companies, and that is one reason why they are this cheap. So I believe, I don't know now. I can't say this is the bottom, but if it's this cheap, 99% down, it's 46 cents. If we put $3, or if we decide to create interest in it and invest in it, if we put $3 a week on it, or $5 a week, or whatever convenience for us, I think it's worth, trying. I think it's worth trying. So it was once upon a time, it was right here in $126. in October 2018, and it came down to $58 in December 2018, and it went back up again. So you see what I'm talking about. Now it's way down to the bottom. It has lost 99%. As of today, it's 46 cents. 46 cents. He has lost 99% of it. So if it has been one time $126 at one point, so that means the potential is there for it to get to $5, for it to get to 20, for it to get to back to 126. And this is why I said, we need to keep our eyes on it. We need to do our research and see if it's something that we might be interested in. I think it's really low. It has gotten way down, losing 99% of it. And if we buy it cheap, the game is for us to buy cheap and sell high. It's $241 million. It's a Canadian company. It's a Canadian company, and they trying to expand themselves in United States and trying to get their footing right. So the market cap is only 241 million. So I just think I should let you see there to see that there are opportunities here if you think it might fit your portfolio. And as things continue to change, things continue to change in cannabis, as government and start looking into law and start passing bills, so it's going to turn around. Now I can't promise you when or what time, but I'm just generally just looking at within 5 years. If you buy this for $46, 46 cents, and in 5 years it became $20, I believe you have made profit. Government continue to talk about it, people continue to accept it. Okay, so now this is another acceptance. This is say marijuana legalization wins broad support in historic vote by North Carolina Cherokee tribes. People continue to adopt it, people continue to be aware of it, and this is just today. This was posted today. This is September 7th today. It was posted today. So see, yes, vote yes for adult use. So people continue to talk about it. It's becoming the narrative of the day. Gradually, they are not making profit right now. But if this continues, if the narrative continues, I believe there's a chance that we will look back and we will be happy at what we have done. So one thing I also want us to pay attention to when we talk about cannabis, it's not just marijuana, product as a recreational purposes alone. It is also used for medicinal. It's also used for prescription. It's also used for beverages, for day-to-day uses of product at home. Even though you might not pay attention or might not understand it or see it that way, but it is what it is. It's used for other things. So even when law for recreation is not 100% accepted, can still sell, beverages and lotions and other stuff, other product that uses cannabis as one of their product, as one of their ingredients. So I want us to also pay attention to that. If this is your first time on this channel, this is a channel where we try our best to share information for us to build our financial wealth. So, if this is something that you think it interests you, join the family, join the community, subscribe to this channel and share this video. No one knows it all, but we all seems to knows it all. We all know what we know, and we don't know what we don't know. So when we bring information on this platform, it is for us to look into it, to make use of it and take advantage of it. It is for our own good. So I want us to share this video all around. I want you to also comment so that I can read your comment. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for spending time today. And as I see you in the next video, I say thank you and have a wonderful day.